Tractor trailer crash, the subject of tonight's Law and You. Guys that are always safe while driving here to the station. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli, always healthy, always accident free.
We try. We try.
That's the goal, always,
yes,
right?
It always, yeah.
All right, here's our question tonight, and let's get to the bottom of this for Becky in Hanover. Becky says, I was involved in a chain reaction crash on Interstate 80. It appears that a tractor trailer started the wreck and a pileup occurred. I was stopped, but another car rear-ended me and injured me and my passenger. What can we do? So how does Becky sort this one out?
So Becky, you have a lot going on. I would need to know a little bit more information about what the tractor trailer did, because obviously the law in Pennsylvania, or really any state for that matter, is that you have to keep your vehicle under control to be able to stop within the assured clear distance ahead. So the person behind you, if you were able to stop without hitting the tractor trailer, then there's no reason that the person behind you shouldn't have been able to do so either. But there could be some other facts that make the tractor trailer responsible as well, such as if they jackknifed across the road and it was something that was unexpected. There could be some liability on the tractor trailer driver as well.
There could be a lot on the tractor trailer driver. We've handled a bunch of these tractor trailer cases where specifically on 80, 81 they lose control and these pileups occur. They're very common here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and it's very important to begin the investigation, get the police report and get people out there to figure out what happened, because at the end of the day, if they're the ones responsible for the wreck, they'll have the most responsibility paying your damages. So I mean, it's very important to get an attorney involved ASAP.
Absolutely.
And it's sad, but it seems to happen almost every day where we see these accidents and truck incidents. So someone who gets caught up in an accident want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Yeah, specifically with these tractor trailer cases, we've been very successful on those. 2011, we had the top verdict in Pennsylvania. Just call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com. And he lectures all over the country.
I talk a lot on tractor trailer cases. Do a lot of teaching on it. I mean, the tractor trailer industry. There's a lot of good drivers out there, but there's a lot of bad drivers. And those bad drivers, whenever an 80,000-pound tractor trailer hits something, people get hurt. People get hurt really bad. But you got to get to a lawyer quickly, and a lawyer that that really specializes in tractor trailer crashes.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night, guys.
See you.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.